Good afternoon. Ada, hold on. What's going on with your face? The makeup, your hair. Are you dressed for Halloween?
Wait till they make you laugh. Eh? No, wait till they make you laugh. Una, they use me, they do caricature.
No, of course not. I didn't mean it like that.
Sonia, you self, wait till you carry for face. All my country people, I don't carry another bunge movie come for another month again. No, now see they do them for my page. No moment at all. This movie is a banger. Una already know say movie where Sonia Uche dey, Maurice Sam dey. Come still join Chinenye Nnebe. That movie is a banger. So I will allow una make una watch small before I continue. Grab your popcorn and una know as you dey do. I'm typing title for comment section and immediately ASAP I go release the title of this particular Obwenge movie. Oya na make I play, make una watch.
Good afternoon. Ada, hold on. What's going on with your face? The makeup, your hair. Are you dressed for Halloween?
Wait till they make you laugh. Eh? No, wait till they make you laugh. Una, they use me, they do caricature.
No, of course not. I didn't mean it like that. Stop laughing. Stop it.
Sorry, it's so obvious you're trying so hard to be like me.
Trying to be like you, say you be waiting now. But you be waiting, they won't be like you.
You know you can come for classes.
No blame you.
Ada, sorry, I didn't mean it like that.
Let her be.
Why are you laughing? Stop it.
She's such a drama queen. Can you imagine she accused me of trying to snatch her man? Like, thief, in quote. For a guy who barely knows her.
Wait, when did all of this happen?
I went sightseeing and I met this guy. He offered to take me around the village. She saw us and went berserk, claiming I tried to thief her man. She's so local and silly.
Hey, you know that's your cousin you're talking about, right? You know it's not her fault that she grew up in this village. It could have been you in her shoes.
I guess you're right. Why? I didn't find her accusations and tantrums funny either.
Still, just give her a break, okay? She's a good person.
So now me, and that way they laugh. Abi?
Why you not laughing? I don't think you no plan together, no make them come up for this village. You do them something, you go pay them well. They will come out with you.
Come up for this village. You know nothing that their papa nine builds this house.
So
myself, wasn't I boy even tell her say make she do they follow that nonsense Obina. I said the boy no get sense. But she don't do this thing. I no go talk to her. Make she go they follow her. So them fit themselves.
not Anna.
I need to talk to you.
Ada, can I talk to you for a minute?
I beg you not get anything where I won't talk. I don't want to talk to you.
Look. About the dressing, I honestly didn't know you were going to feel bad. And I didn't know that Candy was going to laugh. I'm sorry.
Okay. Obina. It's alright.
I was going to say, why are you worrying yourself over some worthless guy who doesn't even deserve you? Somebody that rejected you.
Now come to tell you this thing.
No, not really. I asked her.
Best Christmas ever. Now wait till they don't do the talk since. Best Christmas ever. Best Christmas ever. Are they happy? They happy. Say, come they go come. As we take they play before, we go there like that, they play. I they even dream, say me and them, we go there happy. All those time, no be, we go play sweep, play tente. Now I come they come, they even near them, they do me like say me and they smell. You no one even make I even near them talk to them. Obina too, he no want me. But she don't talk him, he no even deserve me now. And so, Obina no deserve me. After all, My papa too, he leave me and our mama, he comot. My mama, he leave us for village, go for township, go stay. Nobody wants me.
This Sonia sabi art abeg. See my girl now why we dey call am good. Chai. And this her kid sister Chinenye sabi art too. Like, it's in their blood. Acting skills, their mama trained them well. For that side, Agane ekuzi maka Morisa. That one na baba for the game. Okay, guys, see you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to drop title in the comment section, so I will look at it and tell you guys the title. Stay safe out there. Bye.